Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by connecting the keyboard and confirming it responds. This ensures GarageBand receives note data. Once done, create a software instrument track so the keyboard maps to a virtual instrument. Make sure GarageBand preferences show your MIDI device as input and enable monitoring. This lets you hear sound while playing. You do this now to avoid input latency and routing confusion later. And because correct I/O selection determines whether GarageBand records controller data or merely plays back internal sounds. Next, pick a patch that suits your part. The right sound shapes your performance and reveals latency. Once chosen, reduce buffer size in audio/MIDI settings for tighter response, but balance CPU load. Arm the track to record. Enable metronome and a 1-bar count-in to settle your timing. Use input quantize sparingly so performances stay natural. Also map sustain and modulation from your keyboard to CC parameters. This gives expressive control. Then tweak smart controls to fit the mix before recording takes. Finally, record using cycle mode to capture multiple passes and comp the best phrases into one cohesive take. This workflow lets you build confidence and detail. After recording, open the piano roll to edit note timing, velocities, and lengths, which improves realism. Automate filters or reverb to create movement. If you hit a roadblock, no sound or stuck notes. First, recheck preferences for device selection, confirm MIDI channel routing, restart GarageBand, and increase buffer briefly. These steps resolve most connection and latency issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.